Hello everyone! In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create monthly budget tracker with the help of Canva. The easiest way to do it is obviously by using the templates, so that is what we're going to be doing for now. So on the search bar we're going to search for monthly budget, or maybe we can search for budget tracker, but I'm going to see what we can get if we search for a monthly budget for now. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to find a bunch of templates that we can use. Now, if you find a bunch of templates that you will want to use, you can actually combine more than just one or two budget templates. So you can just choose more than one, and I'm going to show you how to combine it with the other one later on. So this one actually looks a little bit too serious, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to search for budget planner and see what we can get. I was hoping and searching for something that is a little bit cuter, like this one right here, but I am using the Canva free account. I'm not using the pro account, so I'm going to search for a thing that has no crown symbol below it, like maybe this one right here, or this one, or this one. I kind of like this one because it looks not too serious. Or this one. Oh, this one is so Y2K coded. This one looks so cute. I think I'm going to be using this one for now. And you can see that it has a bunch of other things coming with it. So I'm going to customize these templates first. Now, before we continue, I'm going to search for a color palette, and this is one of the hacks that I always do when I'm trying to design something on Canva. I'm gonna search for, let's see what color we want to create. Pastel. Let's try for pastel color palette. And these what we got. So we got a bunch of pastel color palette here. I'm going to be specific. I'm going to search for maybe red and blue color palette and see what we can get. So these are some of the color palette that they gave us. Kind of like this one and this one. I'm going to try with this one first. I'm going to go ahead and copy this image and bring it to my design. So I'm going to just paste it on top of the design like so. Then you want to right click on that color palette and click apply color to page. And you can do it multiple times until you find the color combo that you like. Sometimes it takes a lot of try, or sometimes you even have to change the color palette because somehow they couldn't give you the right color combination that you want. But I think that this hack is one of the most useful hack that you can get. I think I am going to try with these color palette instead. Apparently these color are not it. I'm going to try again with the second color palette and see if we can find better color combo. Oh, these ones are cute. Alright, so I think I'm going to settle with this one, but I want to change the color of these column to maybe green or blue. Alright, that looks pretty cute. And these ones going to be blue. Alright, so this is the color that I'm going to be working with for now. And you can add more elements if you want to. Let's say you want to search for maybe butterfly or flowers. You can just go to the element section and search for butterfly here. And I'm going to search for an element that is going to look well with my design. I like this one, so maybe I'm going to be putting this one right here, and I'm going to bring down the opacity like so, and I'm going to click on Ctrl+C to duplicate this butterfly and click on Ctrl+V to paste it, and I'm going to flip horizontally so it looks something like this. And obviously you can add some more element if you want to. I am good with just these for now. And remember that I told you that we can actually combine more than just one templates. So in order to do that, you're going to want to click on add page and then go to design, and it's going to give you the design that we are using for now. And let's say that you want to click on this one. It's going to give you more templates that look just like the one that you're using. So let's say I want to use this weekly planner. I can just go ahead and add it into my design. I think I'm going to change the background color to be something a little bit softer. Alright, so that looks nice. And I'm going to use blue as the color, like so. Alright, so I prefer this color even more. And now I'm just going to go to the next page, which is this one. And you can do the exact same thing with the color palette hack that I've shown you earlier, or you can just change the color manually like this. Alright. And you can also change the font color. And now I'm going to create the text on top of here, not as monthly budget, but I would want to name it according to the month that we're working on. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to go to bulk create options here, and then we're going to enter the data manually. We only will be using one column, so I'm going to delete this one. And we can go ahead and add January, February, etc. until the end of the year. Alright, so I got all of the tags added. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect these specific tags into the data field that we have added. So we're going to click on more, and then we're going to click on connect data and choose on name. Then we're going to click on continue and click generate 12 design. Now it's going to create a new design page in which we will get all of the month created. As you can see, the weekly planner that we added below it is still there. So we got January, and then we got weekly planner, February, another weekly planner, March, April, etc. So instead of having to change everything one by one, you have the options to just bulk create, and it's going to save you so much time. And again, if you'd like to add more page, you can always go ahead and add the page, go to design, and it's going to give you a recommendation of templates that you can use, or if you even want to use other template, you can also just choose another type of templates and then decorate it according to how you want it to be. Once you're done with it, you can go ahead and download this template if you want. If you would like to use it digitally, you can just download it, and maybe you want to write on it in the form of PDF, or maybe you would want to print it out, or you can even sell this maybe on Etsy, etc. But make sure that you do more than I just did in this video, because for the sake of this tutorial I didn't really change a lot of the content. But make sure you don't straight up sell other people's design. Make sure you change a bunch of things, like maybe the font, as well as adding some element so that it does not look like you are stealing other people's design. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a monthly budget tracker with Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.